session. Today we are going to see Unit 3 measurement. Unit 3 measurement. See first capacity. Capacity of a container is the utmost quantity of an item the container can hold. See for example, if you take a glass, what is the capacity of the glass? How much water it can hold is its capacity. How much water it can hold is its capacity. So this is called as capacity of a glass. So volume. Volume means volume of a solid is the space occupied by the solid. So when you come for liquid, you will take it as capacity. When you come for solid means the space occupied by the solid item is called its volume. Volume of a solid is the space occupied by the solid. So this is called as volume. Okay, so how to measure volume means L into B into H. So the volume will be having L, B and as well as the H height. Okay, so in order to find the volume, you have to multiply the length, the breadth and height, and the unit is cubic units because you have three terms. So for each and everything you will be having units. So cubic units. Okay, volume of a container is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic units.
Now we are going to see exercise 3.1. Tick the object which has more volume. Tick the object which has more volume. See children, by comparing the size itself, you can say which has more volume. See its size, this is the biggest one, so it can avail more volume. So you have to tick this box. See, so like that you can compare the pictures and tick the thing which can avail more volume. Okay children, see the second sum. Arrange the given objects according to their volume. Arrange the given objects according to their volume. See, from the lowest volume to the most volume I have arranged. See, this is the smallest thing, so it can avail only less volume. Okay, least volume, and this more than that, and this is the more volume, and this is the most volume. Okay, see the second one. See which can hold only the least volume. This is the least one, and this is the more, and this is more than that, and this is the most volume it can avail. Okay, see the third picture. So you can compare and put the numbers according to the lowest volume to the highest volume. Okay children, so do this.
Now moving to the exercise sums. Exercise 3.2. Complete the table. Complete the table. You have to find the volume of these objects. See the second one, the object is name board and the length, breadth and height are given. What is the volume? Volume is equal to L into B into H. So just multiply all the three numbers. So 20 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 2 centimeter, which is equal to 2 9s are 18. 18 into 2 is 18 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 36. And or add the number of zeros. You have 2 zeros. So put 2 zeros. And you have 3 centimeters. So centimeter cube. This is called as cubic centimeter. Is written here. Okay. So volume of the name board is equal to 3600 centimeter cube. Now see the third sum, showcase board. Now we have to find the volume of the showcase cupboard, whose length is 70 centimeter, breadth is 250 centimeter, and the height is 70 centimeter. So in order to find the volume, multiply all the three numbers. 70 centimeter into 250 centimeter, 250 centimeter into 70 centimeter, which is equal to, see first multiply 70 and 25. Okay, first multiply 25 with the 7. 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 carry over 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 15, 16, 17. Now with this answer again multiply 7. Again multiply 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 is 50. 51, 52. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1225. 1225. And see how many number of zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3. So I put the number of zeros. Okay, so 12,25,000 centimeter cube is the volume of this cupboard. Okay children, now next sum, fifth sum is dice. I have to find the volume of the dice whose length, breadth and height are 1 centimeter. So multiply all the three terms. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, which is equal to 1 answer. See the Roman number 2. Here the volume will be given and you have to find the length, breadth or height, whichever term is missing. You have to find. How to find out? Let's see. See, volume of a sunshade is given. Okay, the volume of sunshade is 4200 cubic centimeter, whose length is 70 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter. You have to find the height. You know the formula. Volume is equal to L into V into H cubic centimeter cubic units. Okay, cubic units. Okay, just to substitute the values of that. See, volume is equal to 4200. Substitute the numbers. 4200 is the volume. L is 70 centimeter. Breadth is 20 centimeter. And H value you don't know. So keep the H as it is. So H is equal to 4200. See, this is at the right hand side. So bring these terms to the opposite side of this equal to. Okay, to the left hand side of this equal to means it will become as division. Okay, the multiplication term, if it comes to the left hand side, it will become as division term. So divided by 70 into 20. And you understand, children, whatever thing you have to find, keep that separately, and whatever numbers are there, you take it to the another side. Okay, so H is equal to 4200 divided by 70 into 20. Now cancel the zeros, 0, 0 and this 0 and 0. Now see whether it is divisible. Okay, it is divisible in 7 table. No, 1 7s are 7, 6 7s are 42. Again it is divisible in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So the H is equal to, height is equal to 3 centimeters. So the